Tired of slow performance on your old laptop or PC? Say hello to ChromeOS Flex, Google's official lightweight operating system designed to give outdated computers a brand new life. In this video, I'll walk you through what ChromeOS Flex is, how to install it step by step, and why it's perfect for anyone who just needs a fast, secure, and cloud-based system for everyday use. Whether you're browsing, using Google Docs, watching YouTube, or working from the cloud, ChromeOS Flex makes it smooth and effortless. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Chromebook Recovery Utility. Click Add to Chrome. This is the tool we'll use to create the bootable USB. Basically, it is an extension for Google Chrome at Chrome Web Store. Once installed, open the recovery utility from Chrome's extensions bar. Click Get Started. Now click Select a model from list. Choose Google ChromeOS Flex as the manufacturer and ChromeOS Flex as the product. Insert your USB drive into your PC. Select your USB from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Then, click Advanced Settings and select Stable Release. Click Create Now. The tool will now download ChromeOS Flex and write it to your USB. This might take several minutes depending on your internet speed. As always, this will erase everything on your USB, so make sure to back up your files first. Once it's done, you'll see a message that your recovery media is ready. Now you can safely eject your USB drive. You're now ready to boot from it and install ChromeOS Flex. To boot into ChromeOS Flex, plug the USB into the device you want to upgrade. Turn it on and press the boot key, usually F12, Escape, or F9, depending on your PC. Select the USB drive, and ChromeOS Flex will launch in live mode. You can test ChromeOS Flex without installing by choosing Try It First. For test, you have to click on Browse as Guest. After that, click Accept and Continue. It may take some time to launch, so be patient. You can check compatibility and performance before installing it permanently. To install, exit from guest mode. Click Install ChromeOS Flex and follow the on-screen instructions. Please note, installing it will erase all data from your hard drive or SSD, so back up your data before proceeding. Once ChromeOS Flex is fully installed, on the first boot, you'll be guided through a smooth setup process where you choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi, and log in using your Google account, or continue as a guest if you prefer. Once you complete the initial setup, your PC transforms into a sleek, fast, and secure Chromebook-like device. The interface is clean and minimal, featuring a bottom taskbar known as the shelf with shortcuts to Chrome, Files, and System Settings. The system settings are straightforward, letting you adjust network preferences, display settings, and keyboard mouse configurations with ease. You also get frequent automatic updates from Google, enhanced security with verified boot, and incredibly fast startup times. It's optimized for browsing, streaming, and productivity, making it a perfect OS to breathe new life into aging laptops or desktops with limited resources. Although ChromeOS Flex doesn't support Android apps or Google Play Store, you can still install web apps, PWAs, for tools like Google Docs, YouTube, Canva, and Zoom, many of which work offline once installed. And that's it. You've successfully installed ChromeOS Flex. If this video helped you, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials from ITCPK. See you in the next one.